This video will be discussing the Annual Enrollment Period 101, Part 1 of the Annual Enrollment Period 3-part series. So first, what is the Annual Enrollment Period? During the Annual Enrollment Period, also known as AEP, beneficiaries with both Part A and Part B can make changes to their current coverage. This means they will be able to make any carrier changes, enroll with a new carrier, or disenroll from their current carrier. These only affect plans governed by CMS, including Medicare Advantage plans, prescription drug plans, and cost plans. Note that this will not affect Medicare supplement plans because those are impacted by the state-ran Department of Insurance. There are some important dates to remember when it comes to the Annual Enrollment Period. October 1st marks when agents can begin discussing the next year's plans. Please note that at this time, an agent is not allowed to collect an application using AEP as the special election period at this time. Also, prior to October 1st, an agent is not allowed to mention anything about the annual election period. The next important date to remember is the 15th of October. The 15th of October marks when an agent can begin selling the next year's plans using the special election period of AEP. This means that agents can begin to collect applications with consumer signatures at this time and begin submitting them to the carriers. December 7th marks the end of the annual enrollment period. Applications will not be accepted using the special election period of AEP after 11:59 p.m. December 7th. After December 7th, a beneficiary cannot make a change in their Medicare Advantage or prescription drug plan without use of another special enrollment period. There are some additional timelines to consider this time of year for a beneficiary. First is the service area reduction, which falls between December 8th and February 28th of the following year. A service area reduction occurs when a beneficiary's current Medicare Advantage plan will no longer be offered in that county the following year. Keep in mind the service area reduction also opens up a guarantee issue situation for a Medicare supplement plan. This means that the individual could use the service area reduction SEP to enroll in a prescription drug plan. The second set of dates to remember is the open enrollment period, which goes from January 1st to March 31st. The open enrollment period is available to individuals who have a Medicare Advantage plan that begins the first of the year. This gives them a one-time election to switch to a different Medicare Advantage plan or move to a prescription drug plan. Note that they will still have to go through underwriting if they would like to enroll into a Medicare supplement plan at that time. This does not affect individuals who are on a standalone prescription drug plan at the beginning of the year. It is also important to note that there is absolutely no marketing of the open enrollment period allowed during this time. If you have additional questions about the annual enrollment period, please do not hesitate to reach out to Senior Marketing Specialist. The number there, as always, is 1-800-689-2800.